Introducing healthy drinks to a 2-5-year-old can be an exciting way to encourage good nutrition and hydration. Here are 10 easy and nutritious home recipes for toddlers. Fruit smoothies. Blend together a mix of fresh or frozen fruits with yogurt or milk. You can add a dash of honey for sweetness. This provides a tasty and nutritious way to incorporate various fruits into their diet. Homemade fruit juices. Make your own fruit juices using fresh fruits like oranges, apples, or berries. Dilute the juice with water to reduce sugar content and make it more suitable for toddlers. Vegetable smoothies. Sneak in some veggies by blending them with fruits. Spinach, kale, or carrots can be added to fruit smoothies for an extra nutritional boost. Coconut water. Coconut water is a natural and refreshing source of hydration for toddlers. It's low in sugar and high in electrolytes, making it a healthy choice. Milkshakes. Create a delicious milkshake using milk, a banana, and a spoonful of peanut butter. This provides protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients for growing toddlers. Homemade lemonade. Make a simple lemonade using freshly squeezed lemon juice, water, and a touch of honey. It's a hydrating and vitamin C-rich option. Chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with milk or a dairy alternative and let it sit in the refrigerator until it thickens. Add a bit of vanilla extract and serve this nutrient-packed pudding to your toddler. Infused water. Enhance plain water by infusing it with slices of fruits like strawberries, oranges, or cucumber. This adds a subtle flavor without added sugars. Green tea cooler. Brew a mild green tea, let it cool, and mix it with a splash of fruit juice or honey for sweetness. This provides antioxidants without the caffeine content found in regular tea. Yogurt smoothie popsicles. Blend yogurt with berries or other fruits. Pour the mixture into popsicle molds and freeze. These frozen treats make for a fun and healthy snack during warmer months. When introducing new drinks, be mindful of potential allergies. And always consult with your pediatrician for guidance on age-appropriate nutrition. Additionally, ensure that the drinks are served in toddler-friendly cups to minimize spills and promote independence in drinking.